Ian from In 30 Minutes Guides. Here are 3 signs that you've been tricked by a merchant on Amazon. If this video helps, please take a moment to like it and follow me. Let's get started. So about 2 years ago, I purchased something on Amazon. It was a piece of electronic equipment, and inside was this card, which kind of looks like an Amazon gift card for $20. However, when you looked at the back side of the card, this is what it said. A gift for you. First of all, if you are satisfied with the product, would you mind giving this product a positive review with 5 stars? Then it asked to send a screenshot with 5 stars to a Gmail address, and then it would said we would provide you a $20 Amazon gift card. This is totally against Amazon's terms of service for Amazon sellers. This is obviously bogus, and it was a sign to me that I'd been tricked by the seller of electronic goods, because clearly all of the reviews that I'd seen before, all the 5-star reviews, they were just a lot of them were just completely bogus. They were a result of a bribe. More recently, because Amazon's been cracking down, you don't see the same type of outright bribes, like here's a $20 Amazon gift card. This came more recently. It was for a phone tripod. And it basically said, we want to give you good customer service. Just contact us if you have any questions. So this type of card does 2 things. The first one is it heads off negative reviews by asking people to contact customer service using this email address. One other thing I'd like to point out, inside the email address, it says free gift. So even though the text doesn't say that they're going to give a free gift, the email address indicates that it is a free gift. So the sellers have upped their game. But this was another sign that, again, I had been tricked by the basically glowing reviews on this website, a lot of which were probably based on this manipulation that I've described here. The second way to tell that you've been tricked by an Amazon vendor is the quality or the features don't match. So for instance, let's say that I get this tripod and the product description said that it's a metal tripod, but when I get it, it's all plastic. That's a sign that they did a little bit of a bait and switch. Sometimes what they do is they make a high quality item at first, then they switch it out with lower quality items later on that are cheaper to manufacture after they've gotten all the 5-star reviews. So they're just reaping the benefit of having a very good quality product at the beginning, which gets higher reviews, and then swapping it out with something that's trash. The third sign that you've been tricked by an Amazon seller is when you look at the reviews. You go back and look at the reviews, like you say, this doesn't seem as good as the reviews said they would be. And you notice that all of the glowing reviews, the 4-star and 5-star reviews, they all look the same. For instance, all of these reviews, they're basically the same structure. They're each 1 line long with 2 or 3 sentences, very vague. And then look at the names of the people. Brooklyn Taylor, Emmy Don, Yamilet Carter. So first of all, these names don't even seem real. Second thing is, take a look at that. The first letter of the first name is capital. The last name is all lowercase. It's the same for every single one of these people. So this was a sign that, again, I'd been tricked by a vendor or a publisher or somebody selling something on Amazon. These are the 3 signs that I've noticed over the years. Every year there's a new set of scams that are going on by sellers that are looking to hustle or trick you. There are some good sellers on Amazon. But increasingly, there's a lot of bad actors who are just trying to make a quick buck off of innocent people that are just trying to buy something on Amazon. So be aware. Those are my warnings. Thank you so much for watching.